welcome back to Camilla vlog number 2. Whatever. Yeah, I've been charging my camera all night, but I don't know how much power I actually have. It didn't say it was full. So I'm gonna bring you guys on a trip today. I'm going to go to Sweden with my friend Maggie Magnus. Now I'm gonna bring my food. I realized that I don't actually have a box for food, so I'm actually gonna bring a plate of food to the car and just eat like the plate. So it's gonna be nice. Hopefully we'll drive nicely so I don't get food all over myself. Yes. So yeah, we're gonna go to Sweden because I'm going to the gathering this year. This will be my first attendance ever. This is Easter, and I was thinking that I could go to Sweden and just, you know, buy some energy drinks and some candy and some food. Energy drinks. So I'm gonna bring you to the car, show you one of my friends if he wants to be on camera. We'll see what happens. I might make him. I'm also gonna bring light. I'm gonna bring a hair tie, like a hair string. I'm gonna put my hair up because he hates it when I do that. So I'm gonna show you guys how he reacts when I do that, hopefully. I have to go put clothes on now because he's actually waiting downstairs. Woo! Gotta go get my food and get into the car. He has a new name now. I do not have a food container thingy-majig, so I'm sitting here with the plates in the car. Yeah! Yeah!
Magna bara thug life.
Magna bara thug life? Swag! Swag! So what is on your shopping list today, Magnus?
My shopping list today? It's chicken, bacon, energy drinks, candy, booze, more booze, and booze.
So he's getting a lot of booze. I am actually getting a lot of booze today too, I think. I need to get vodka, maybe tequila, and energy drinks. So where are we going? We're going to Charlottenberg.
Yeah.
That's where all the cheap Norwegians go. We're cheap Norwegians. What is up with the focus? Where's my face? It cannot find my face. Hello? Hello? Hello there.
2 hours of this.
Oh, save me from the sun. Oh, I just realized that Magnus hasn't met my dad.
But I'm your daddy.
Are you?
Well, no.
What are your relations with my mom?
What? Me? No.
Daddy. Daddy. Guys, we're here. We made it. We didn't crash. I actually had to take the wheel twice. I took it twice, guys, and we didn't crash. So, you're proud of me. Magnus, are you proud of me?
No.
Why not?
Okay, kind of.
So we're gonna shop now. Excuse me if my face is like reflecting all of the light that there is. But we're almost inside. It's like the place is freaking giant. We're gonna buy candy. Magnus is like embarrassed with me because I brought the camera and I'm videoing.
I'm trying to connect to mobile data thingy, so all my friends can reach me.
Your friends?
All my friends, all my other friends, all my real friends.
Okay, I'm just gonna go now. There.
Vi lekebutikken.
What will we get at the lekebutikk?
Lek.
No.
Feil lekebutikk.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Are we gonna buy you a suit?
dress. Veldig fin.
We can buy you this? I think you'd look great in this.
Så det er det.
Hawaiian Magnus.
Å nei.
Beautiful. We have to go here. Undo all the crap things.
Så det er det vil så.
I can't find what I want. Og jeg vil ha deg. Take it, do the song som jeg. Look at this naked man. Am I hitting the naked man? I am hitting the naked man. Naked man. I don't know what I need. I have no idea what I need. Here's another naked man. Small one. He was tiny. Naked tiny man. This guy's so freaking tall. Look.
Det er bare et hue her liksom. Så lene haken.
I need. It's called something weird. Modelmassa. Swedish. Man. So apparently I found what I needed. Yeah. I did it. Come on. We're gonna buy this and then we're gonna make some cool stuffs and things on the stream. And then we're gonna buy this as well. We're gonna make jewelry and things. So we're done.
Fuck this country.
We just bought this and then now we're done. No, we realized we needed a shopping cart, so we're outside again so we can get that. Look at that swagalicious Maggie D in the back. Maggie D!
Maggie D, also Maggie D.
No, it was supposed to be Maggie D because you're such a gangster. But I just said Maggie D by mistake. Magnus just sold his soul for 5 Swedish krona.
Not my soul.
So I'm gonna put this in here now.
Yeah.
Then you can carry it so I can do
Så
my
jeg
vlogging.
tenkte at jeg kommer til å trille rundt på en måned hele dagen.
That's your job.
Your wagon
That's your
bitch.
job. Yeah, you're my wagon bitch. How does it feel to be someone's wagon bitch?
Doesn't do good.
It doesn't? Just know that I eternally appreciate you for being my wagon bitch.
Brilliant.
Magnus is doing his business. He's being businessy.
Doing his business.
Whoops. We've been eating. Ah. This is all the food I have left. This is Magnus's pizza. Possess. Magnus, are you excited about the food that we just had?
Yeah, it's okay.
Why are you not excited about the food that we just had?
It was so tiny.
It was so tiny for a big body like yours. Because you are a big boy. A big man.
A big boy.
So tasty. So delicious. So tiny.
Det var noe helt annet. Men,
Magnus needed Mountain Dew. All he needs now is Doritos, but he's getting chicken fillets. Wherever to get that. We all know he needs Doritos. He does not have his priorities straight.
de vet jævlig mye for det. De vil ha kirken.
Maybe you can make like Doritos out of chicken fillet. If you try really hard, maybe you can make Doritos out of chicken fillet. There's probably a way.
Jeg tror ikke det.
Whoa! Whoa!
Look at
Whoa! That's the gigantic piece of meat right there. Look at this. Oi, 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 oi. Yeah, look at this. It has the perfect bounce. Like my quality check of meat is like, it's basically this, right? If it's bouncy enough, it means that it's great quality. Ain't nobody got time for that. Ain't nobody got time for that. Ain't nobody got time. Ain't nobody got time. Ain't nobody got time. Ain't nobody got time for that. Magnus is very, very, very ashamed. Ain't nobody got time for that. Ain't nobody got time for that. We need more meat. We need more meat. Magnus, I found more meat. So we are actually done this time. We're actually done this time, and I cannot believe that all of this shit is mine. I'm from Texas. This is all the stuff that I bought, actually. This is all mine. So I won't have to shop for a few centuries. Yeah, it's a lot of stuff, but it's gonna save me a lot of money. Okay, so I put my hair in a nice bun, just like Magnus really likes. Magnus, can you please look at me? No. Magnus, please look at me. So we're gonna drive like this the whole way home.
Wow! Herregud.
Do you like it? I made it really pretty. I put a lot of effort into it. So are you ready to bring me home like this?
No. Where's the eject button?
So you're actually gonna let me sit like this the whole way home?
No, not the whole way home. Just until we get to Skarnes.
Okay.
And then I'm gonna leave you there.
Are you what? He's gonna leave me. We're gonna visit
leave your bun.
We're gonna visit an old friend of mine. Which I haven't seen. I don't think I've seen him in like 2 or 3 years, so that's gonna be nice. We're just gonna say hi. And I'm gonna wear this bun because I'm gonna make I just feel even more embarrassed than he's done all day with me talking to my camera like this all day. So he's gonna leave me there. So hopefully I'll be able to like stay with him until like tomorrow or something. Det går fint? Tror du det går fint?
Jag får så dåligt samvittighet att jag kör hem.
Even with my bun, he will drive me home. Oh my god, it's true friendship.
I've decided.
Magnus, I love you.
Then you would remove that bun.
They look like a palm tree. I'm a pretty palm tree, look at me. Why are you tired? Tell them why you're tired, Magnus. What have you been up to?
I've been drinking for 3 days.
I've been drinking watermelon. You can actually fit a watermelon in his chest. I never tried it. Don't you think so? Because you can fit my head in there. But I don't know. I don't know if my head is like watermelon-y. So you bought Monster, the green one. Did you know that there was a theory that Monster was like Satan?
No, but Monster is Satan?
Yeah, because like this means 666 and the O is the cross upside down. And it was like this crazy American theory but made by Christian people that you shouldn't drink it because it's basically it's basically drinking Satan.
I think I have a little bit of them with me, so
you probably do.
Maybe it's because
so you don't need it. Maybe. Or maybe it just makes you more evil. I don't know.
Maybe.
I bought like a metric shit ton of energy drinks because that's basically what I consume the most at home, so that's what I needed the most, I guess. That's what I spent the most money on today, I'm quite sure of it. Then I bought like loads of good meats. I did the slapping test, which is really good, so I know that this is good quality meat. I bought cheese. I actually bought cheese for my mom and my grandma as well, because I love them, and what better way to tell women that you love them with cheese. And I think we just crossed the Swedish border. And officially a Norwegian citizen again?
Ja, det står. Nej, vänta, det är 500 meter.
No, we're still Swedish. Never mind.
We're still in Sweden, not
We're
Swedish.
still in Sweden. Rip Norwegian life. Goodbye, Sweden! It was great! Thank you! Wonderful day. Goodbye, troll. See you later, troll. Nice to see you, Charlie. Basically, we've been doing this trip because I needed to stock up for this week, which is Easter week. I'll be going to the gathering, which is the biggest Norwegian land in Norway. Who would have thought, right? I'll be streaming from the streamers. I'll be streaming from the streaming section. So if you're looking at this vlog right now and you're thinking, oh, I'm going there too. And this girl is pretty weird. I like weird. I should go check her out. Then you should totally go do that. I am going to be able to like say hi. I'll be saying hi, and you can say hey, and then it can be like super awkward but super nice, you know. So if you're going there, make sure to say hi to me.
Get out.
What? Get out of the,
Fix the weather.
Don't you like it like this?
No, I don't.
He really does hate the bun.
Yeah.
So nice.
Yeah.
Just want to wear the bun all the time when I'm around him. So if you're watching this video, what are you gonna do during Easter? Let me know in the comment section. I would love to hear some comments about what you're gonna do. And then we'll never see each other again. Kidding!
Not with the bun, but
Oh.
maybe if you fix it.
Oh shit.
Maybe.
Not with the bun, he says. So it might actually be our last time ever seeing each other.
Or you could just fix your hair.
Sad music cue.
Let's give it a...
Welcome to the land of nothingness!
Det är som andra scenen.
This is my flirt look. This is gonna be my flirt look.
Det gick det helsike då.
Do you think it's gonna be a hit? I think it's gonna be a hit.
Go for it.
Hey baby. Would you let yourself get swooned if I did that too?
Oh yeah.
Magnus, you wanna come home with me tonight? And then like, if I don't get a reaction, I'm gonna put my head more and more backwards. That's gonna be really nice. Mine just made me remove my bun today.
What?
Mine just made me remove my bun.
Yeah. Not gonna apologize. Did the world a favor.
You will regret this later.
What?
He has no idea what's coming. So I'm at home. I packed everything out. I just like collapsed in bed because I'm so tired. So I've been in bed and I've just been playing some Scrabble. The reason why I'm changing colors is because I have I have a candle that changes light and this goes to my face because I don't want to have a lot of lights on when I'm off to bed anyways, because it kind of like messes up your natural sleep stuff, I guess. So yeah, we're off to bed now. I was seriously playing Scrabble and I was like struggling with keeping my eyes open, so that's good. I've had a really good day. I really needed some positive vibes and I just filled up with it today. But now I just need some rest. Good night.